ako si Bea Catherine Kagimba from 10 Earth, and for today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano isolve ang geometric mean. Geometric mean. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng geometric mean? Ang geometric mean ay yung mga terms sa pagitan ng first term at ng last term na tinatawag nating end term sa isang geometric sequence. So, ano ang ating formula? an is equal to a1 times r raised to n minus 1. Kung saan, ang an ay ang end term or last term, ang a1 is the first term, r is the ratio, and n is the number of terms. So, example number 1. Insert three geometric means between 1 and 81. So, basically, magiging ganito yung itsura niya. Ang ating given ay A1 is 1, A5 is 81, R is missing, and N is 5. Gagamitin natin yung formula to find the ratio na imumultiply natin sa ating first term at sa mga susunod pang terms. Substituting, we have 81 is equal to 1 times R raised to 5 minus 1. 81 is equal to 1 times R raised to 4. Divide both sides by 1 or pwede ding hindi since 1 lang naman siya. 81 is equal to r raised to 4. Getting the fourth root, our ratio is 3. Pero di pa doon nagtatapos lang lahat dahil we still need to multiply the ratio sa ating first term and sa mga susunod pang terms. 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So ang ating geometric means ay 3, 9, 27. Sample number 2. Insert 5 geometric means between 2 and 8,192. Magiging ganito yung itsura niya. Ang ating mga given ay A1 is 2, A7 is 8,192, R is missing, and N is 7. Gagamitin ulit natin yung formula. So, 8,192 is equal to 2 times R raised to 7 minus 1. Magiging 8,192 is equal to 2 times r raised to 6. Divide both sides by 2 para yung ratio or yung r na lang matira sa kabilang side ng equation. Magiging 4,096 is equal to r raised to 6. Getting the 6th root, our ratio is 4. Again, imumultiply po ulit natin yung ratio natin sa ating first term at sa mga susunod pang terms. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32, 32 times 4 is 128, 128 times 4 is 512, 512 times 4 is 2,048. So ito po ang ating mga geometric means sa pagitan ng 2 and 8,192. So for our third example, if A3 is 9 and A5 is 81, which end term is 729? So, para di tayo mahirapan at malito, ililista natin ang ating given. A3 is 9, A5 is 81, and yung ating 729. So, as you can see, wala tayong ratio, kaya kailangan muna natin itong hanapin. We can solve that by using our A3 and our A5. Gagamitin ulit natin yung formula, but this time, merong konting pagbabago. Dahil imbis na A1, siya ay naging A3 dahil yun yung meron tayo sa given. At imbis na n-1, siya ay naging n-3. So, isa-substitute na natin yung mga given. Siya ay magiging 81 is equal to 9 times r raised to 5 minus 3. Magiging ano siya? 81 is equal to, we will divide both sides by 9 para yung r na lang yung matitira sa kabilang side ng equation. Magiging 9 is equal to r squared. Getting the square root, our ratio is 3. Since meron na tayong ratio, pwede na nating mahanap yung end term ng 729. So, gagamitin ulit natin yung formula. Actually, pwede din natin gamitin ay A5, pero A3 yung gagamitin natin ngayon. Isa-substitute na natin yung mga given, at ito ay magiging 729 is equal to 9 times 3 raised to n minus 1. Divide both sides by 9 para yung n na lang matitira sa kabilang side ng equation, and this will result to 81 is equal to 3 raised to n minus 3. So basically, dapat maging pareho ng base yung 81 and 3. So kailangan natin mag-isip ng exponent na pwede nating i-partner sa 3 and na magre-result sa 81. At ito ay ang 3 raised to 4 is equal to 3 raised to n minus 3. So, kukunin natin ang ating mga exponents na 4 is equal to n minus 3. Itatranspose natin yung 3. Magiging 4 plus 3 is n. Ang n natin is 7. So, ang 729 ay pang 7th term. For our last example, if r is 2 and a2 is 18, which n term is 288 in a geometric sequence? Ililista natin yung mga given. A2 is 18, R is 2, and 288 na kailangan natin hanapin yung n term. So, gagamitin ulit natin yung formula natin. But this time, siya ay A2 na dahil yun yung meron tayo sa given. And n minus 2 na din siya. So, substitute na ulit natin. 288 is equal to 18 times 2 raised to n minus 2. We will divide both sides by 18 para yung n na lang yung matitira sa kabilang side ng equation. At ito ay magiging 16 is equal to 2 raised to n minus 2. Dapat maging kapareho ng base ang 16 at 2 kaya siya ay naging 2 raised to 4. Dahil ang 2 raised to 4 ay equal din sa 16. So, kukunin ulit natin yung mga exponent nila, which is yung 4 is equal to n minus 2. So, ayan siya. Itatranspose ulit natin yung 2 sa kabilang side, and our n is 6. So, 288 is 6th term.